But one major mistake that happens with agents in this industry is really indicative of those results that we just discussed. 2 attempts, 20% contact rate, the agents quit, leads suck, and they move on to the next shiny object. And that problem is simply this: agents are always chasing leads. Who hasn't seen this lead funnel before, right? I think it's something we're all very familiar with, and it's something that agents have just conceded to the idea that the lead funnel is going to be full of holes that can't be plugged. Well, you'll see here, the first step of the lead funnel is to generate interest, right? Buy your Google pay-per-click leads, buy your Facebook ads, what have you, generate interest. Call the leads once, text them once, you sell to the hot leads, the 2 out of 10 people that respond to you, and you get new clients, right? Those two leads turn into a client, or one of them turns into a client. You're super excited. All of your focus goes into this one new client you have. You sigh in relief because this client turns into a transaction. You're able to pay the bills once again, yet you start over. The roller coaster effect of this is exhausting. I've heard it from agents for years that they get very, very busy, then they absolutely have no business. They get very, very busy, and then they have no business. The reality is there's a ton of lost opportunity here. As we made mention before, in the lead capture process, if you're resigned to simply using a registration prompt, you're losing interest, right? There's leads that are bouncing from your website. Without any type of automation built into your business, you're losing leads. Without being able to follow up 7 to 12 times, you're losing leads. That consequently lead to lost customers. The leads that you're missing out on become leads in someone else's CRM, and consequently buy homes or sell theirs with another agent. So to put some numbers to this, you can see you've got an audience of an undefined number, right? The whole internet. You get 100 people to respond, 100 leads that fill out your registration prompt, and you get new clients. What happens to the 97 others? They fall through the cracks. You don't have the proper follow-up in place. As a result, they go to your competitor. And the reality is you're only catching the leads based off of pure luck and timing. But what we know about this business is that you can't make people buy or sell when you're ready. It's about when they're ready and their timing. So remember, you have to be able to follow up with these leads at scale in order to interact with them based off of their timing. But because you don't have the proper follow-up in place, those 97 leads become trash. In order to capitalize on that opportunity, you need to implement automation. Offer value, educate, nurture, sell, repeat. This is a repeatable process. This is a process that is going to get people to trust you. The number one thing when it comes to converting online leads through the automation process is to build trust with those people. You can't just sell. You have to offer value, educate, nurture over an extended period of time until you reach their timing. Then you've earned the right to sell, and it's time to repeat.